Toe that up, toe it up. Oh, that's fake. This right here, so good. It's starting to rain. We gotta make this quick. Good job, baby. Every these sizes is not small either. They're pretty big. Ooh. Okay, y'all, we gotta stop and get us a drink. Ooh, y'all can't do no more. We done tried 13 food trucks, and I am full. I can't do it no more. My stomach finna bust. Then the sun coming out. I got on a sweater. Oh Lord. This is how you ride in the car after you just ate so good. I'm ready to go take a nap. Food Truck Showdown was a 10 out of a 10.